Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm bringing you a quick but super valuable opportunity that's been flying under the radar, DGrid AI. If you're into airdrops and want to farm something with real potential, this one is worth your time. It's simple, takes just a few minutes a day, and early participants are getting extra benefits. Let's jump right in. First thing you need to do is go to DGrid AI. Website link is in the pinned comment. Once you're there, click on Sign In and connect your wallet. Any wallet works. MetaMask, Trust Wallet, whatever you use. After connecting, you'll need to complete a few quick verification steps. Connect your X, Twitter account. Follow DGrid AI on X and verify it. Join their Telegram channel. Finally, sign the activation message. It costs almost nothing, around 0.000005 BNB, which is basically $0.002 or even less. Once that's done, click Enter AI Arena and you're ready to start. Every day, you get 5 missions. Here's how it works. You'll see a prompt, and below it 2 anonymous AI responses. Your job is to read both and pick the one that seems better, more accurate, or more helpful. If you pick the winning response, the one most people choose, you get 10 points. If you pick the other one, you still get 5 points. So there's no wrong answer. You always earn something. Besides the daily missions, there are more ways to earn. Top 50 users on the weekly leaderboard share a big 300,000 points prize pool. You can create your first AI agent and instantly earn 100 points. And the best part, refer your friends and earn ongoing bonuses. Why should you care? Because the project has clearly said, points convert to allocation weight for future $DGAI token airdrops, and earlier participants earn higher multipliers. This is still early, so the sooner you start, the better your position will be. Don't sleep on this one, guys. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more alpha opportunities, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.